Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Anne-Marie, not for the first time, Gordon Guitar. Great artist there, this time featuring SHANIA TWAIN. Alright, so this song is called Unhealthy, and you could understand that from the music video. It seems to be a little bit unhealthy. Funny though, but anyway, unhealthy. Let's take a look at the song instead. So let's start with the capo set here on the 2nd fret, because that is the easiest scenario for us, the easiest chords possible. And let's look at the chords. We have first the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the C next, so easy to get the C from the E minor. You play on the 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have the D minor. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have this F bar chord, so place the bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We also have the E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And I believe that the E7 would be the last chord. Yes, it is. So that is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's take a look at the song, starting with the verse. The chord progression for the verse will be A minor, C, G, and D minor. You will start to play this a little bit different way when it comes to the rhythm and strumming or so. So you can basically say that it's 2 downs per chord, but it goes like this. Alright, so that is one round, A minor, C, G, and D minor. So what you do here with your strumming hand, you play down, down. But the first down, you play on the bass strings, and then the second down that comes immediately right after, pretty much more on the mid top strings, the higher notes. So that is one round of strumming, you can say. Down, down, bass top, like that. All right. So for the first verse, you will play this strumming, you can say, this rhythm, and you play that for 2 chord progression rounds, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. All right, so the first and second pre-chorus, they're both played in the same way, just 1 down per chord, and the chord progression will be F, G, E minor, and A minor. Then you go back again to F, G, and now you have the E7, 1 down, and a big pause there that builds up for the chorus. All right, so the choruses will be played both in the same way. Now we need to learn the strumming pattern. The chord progression will be the same as the verse, okay? So chorus and verse, same chords, A minor, C, G, and D minor. Now with strumming, so 1 round of strumming, since it starts with A minor, sounds like this. All right, so it's down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. That's 1 round. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. C, C, G, G, and D minor, D minor again. Both choruses are played for 2 chord progression rounds, and that takes us to the post choruses. They're also played in the same way, same chords, A minor, C, G, D minor, 2 strumming rounds per chord. The only difference is The first post chorus is played for 2 chord progression rounds, but the last one is played for 4 rounds. I just want to mention that the first and second verse, now when everything is done here in the song, differs a little bit, because the first verse had this rhythm, you know, down, down. But the second verse is played with the same strumming as the rest of the song with the down, up, clap, up. So the verse goes, the second one with strumming for 2 chord progression rounds there as well. Both verses goes for 2 rounds. And that pretty much covers Anne-Marie's and Shania Twain's Unhealthy. So give it a try. It's not unhealthy for guitar educational life. You will be better as much as you practice. You will be much better in switching chords, handling the strumming hand, and yeah, do everything else simultaneously. So give it a try, guys, and continue educating here from Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.